Hi guys! Today is March 5, 2013 and this is Tina!
Hello.
Tina's doing my hair because we're gonna have a photo shoot later. Wow, model, kung photo shoot na lang. Ang ganda ng buhok ko pag straight mo.
Huwag mo kasing tiyatali lagi kasi nagkukulot ko.
Which one do you prefer? My straight hair or my wavy hair?
Gusto ko yun. Saan yung nag-rotate tayo?
Kanina yung tinitignan yung picture. Ay, alam ko saan yan. Sa Belmonte lang yan.
Oh?
Oo.
Punta tayo doon.
King ina, babayaran mo kaya papunta doon. Tsaka dapat may kasama tayong lalaki.
Bakit?
Kasi, ano po yun, abandoned building. Tapos maraming graffiti. Per floor, paganda yung graffiti.
Oh, gusto ko doon.
Pero magbibigay ka ng entrance fee, mga siguro 50 pesos.
Okay lang yun.
Sige, one time punta tayo doon. Dapat magsama tayo ng boylets para safe tayo. Pusa. Sabi ko boylets, hindi boylet. Boylets nga eh, marami. Daddy dyan, sama natin.
Hindi, yun.
April! Susunod ka? Mga naka-ano lang eh, naka-hour lang today.
Ngayon lang, ano ako yung burger na lang.
I know, right? So, we're gonna have a photo shoot.
Nag-lunch ka na?
Plancha na ako. My straight hair. So, I'm gonna have a photo shoot in a while downstairs. And she's gonna join me. We're starting now with the photo shoot. 16:30. Time check. Sabihan kita pag 16:15 na para we could go up. This is Tina in her... Si Tina, oh! Medyo, breathe in pati, breathe in. Now, it's Bon's turn.
Uy, nice.
Freestyle.
Nakakatuwa naman.
Ano? Ulit-ulitin natin to.
Well, dapat siguro tuloy-tuloy na to.
You should have your Tumblr account.
No, I don't have a Tumblr. But
Why?
you can add me on Facebook, and I have a Twitter, but sometimes I do not use it.
Do you have a lookbook account?
Yeah, no, just, what's that?
Chicktopia.
But I don't use it. And you have to tag all your clothes, what's the brand, and...
How about if it's brandless, diba?
Sometimes my clothes are not branded. Just from my mom. Oh, sige. Maganda din yung pick-up truck na yun. Parang rugged na rugged.
Ay, or maragid ang...
Kasi ito, okay na ba yung ganito mo?
Pwede. We could do that. Hi guys, I'm with Tina.
Hi!
We're just picking up my order. I ordered shredder.
Vlog
KFC.
diary.
Vlog diary. Video vlog. Hindi pala pantay oh. Dito makapalit
Okay.
naman ito.
Ganda na nga na ice mo. Hindi na kailangan ng ganun.
Oo. Pero minsan wini-wing out ko siya. Wala lang, embot lang. Kembot lang. Ano ba yan? Ang sugary.
Chagaaw.
Look at her lipstick.
Her lipstick.
Yeah, it's Love Me Red, I think. Yeah, it's that color. Then for me, it's just lip tint and then blush and then eyeliner and then foundation. Buklo ang ganda ng foundation ng Avon. Avon siya oh. Ang
Kano naman?
300 plus nung nabili ko mga siguro 400, 500 ngayon. May text ako, wait lang.
Bakit ka nagpapanik?
Wala lang.
Why you panic, person?
Look at her
Makeup. I did her makeup too.
kaya hindi siya masyado kita.
Hindi masyado kita on cam. Pati na sa isa kong camera, picture na. Hala ko naman, ako na.
Yun na, shredder. Shredder daw.
Hindi, 1, 3, 2, 3 naman ako eh.
Baka ikaw na ata sunod.
Oo, ako nga sunod.
We're at KFC. Alam mo sa McDonald's, yan, lagyan natin dito. Sa McDonald's, okay lang mag-video vlog ka. Sa KFC, okay lang din. Pero kung sa Jollibee, hindi pwede.
Bakit?
I don't know. Like, several times
Pinagalitan ka?
Oo, several times na kaya sa counter ako, nag-vlog ako. Sabihin, ay ma'am, bawal po. Ano nangyayari?
Kontrobersiya.
You know, everyone knows that. Alam nyo yan.
Bawal.
Dito pwede, dito pwede.
KFC. Ano nito?
Diba?
Tagline.
Ha? KFC?
Finger lick.
Finger lick and good. Pero ngayon, so good.
Ay, so good.
Kumahan, you know. Promise talaga. Ayun na, malapit na yung order ko.
May photoshoot pa.
No, hindi mo na ako kakain kung gano'n. Hey guys! Okay, so we just did our photo shoot earlier. So right now, I'm back at work. And it's super hot because we went downstairs. Ang init, my God. Ay, ate da.
Si Katie, no?
Oh yeah, pupunta si Katie with the Kino.
Plan siya.
Yeah, I did plan for the hair because today is the payday. Alright, so I just finished photo shoot. Yeah. This is the first meal I'm gonna eat for today. Besides from the fries I ate earlier. Looks like this. Hello, Jewel! It looks like this, ate da. Yeah. The meat was just shredded and stuff. Okay po. Drop by me later. So yeah. So I'm just gonna eat this for now because I have a class in approximately 15 minutes. So I'll talk to you guys in a while. Hi! What is your name?
Uy, tawag ikaw.
Ay, tawag kita. Ayoko, saya ko.
Baby.
Anong full name niya?
Si Uno Kendall.
Uno Kendall. Uno.
Si Kino.
Kino. Hoy, Kenito.
Kino.
Kenito.
Kino.
Kino.
Uy, loko.
Kino. Loko.
Color, oh. Ayun na.
Loko.
Color green na yun, baby, oh.
Bebe.
Ano ba yan? Saka naka... Uy, dito ka
Kino. Kino. Hi. Kinoy.
Clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands.
Why you-
Clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap.
Parang Philips din sa'yo, no? Ang cute-cute.
Dali na, clap your hands.
Oo, cute talaga sa'yo.
Clap your hands. Clap, clap.
Alam ko na nakuha ni Kino sa'yo, be.
Sa akin? Ano?
Ang pouty lipstick.
Ano para si Mero?
Biglang ganyan yung mukha ng mami.
Clap your hands. Clap your hands.
Ay, may kasi ako ng 40, ha? Hi, guys. So, it is 10. Si Jay? Andun ata, be, oh. Tingnan mo na. So, it is already 10:03 in the evening. Wow, oiliness. It is the end of the day. And the ate da is having class. So yeah, so that's it for today. I didn't really do much today besides from the fact that I had some class and I'm chilling in my station. So yeah, that's basically it. I have to go. Thank you so much for watching. Have a safe and wonderful evening, day, or night ahead.